अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स, अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स, वेलकम बैक to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video friends, I will share you button crafts ideas. So friends, let's start today video. So friends, we are going to explore some creative and beautiful button crafts ideas. Button are small items that we usually use on cloth, but many people do not know that buttons can also be used to create an amazing craft project. Or button from shirt, skirt, or sewing box can become beautiful decoration and handmade items. Button crafts are simple, colorful, and very fun to make. They are perfect for both beginners and experienced crafts. Look at some creative ideas you can make with button wallet. One popular button craft idea is button wallet. You can glue button or on a canvas or cardboard to create a beautiful shape. For example, you can make a button tree or heart shape or even a flower design using button of different color and size. Make the artwork look more interesting. This craft is perfect for decorating a living room, bedrooms, or craft room. Button flower decoration. Another lovely idea is button flower. You can stick several buttons together and attach them to a wire stick to create a flower. These flowers can be placed in vase, uses a table decoration. Button flower are colorful, cheerful, making them perfect for spring or festive decoration. Friends, button and button may be small button but they can be used to create amazing and creative crafts. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed crafts ideas, creative ideas, please like, share and subscribe for more.